called a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
It is not the peanut butter and jelly sandwich. It is a peanut butter and strawberry.
I love this, by the way.
Grilled toast.
For me, this is a perfect like pre-workout snack.
Yeah, you have the protein, you have healthy fats, and then you have fruit. And we think about it for lunch, but we actually should consider it for breakfast as well.
I like it.
All right, Don, let's get some strawberries here.
So typically, you know, I try and buy organic, but sometimes I don't always have access to organic. So
I don't get too focused on organic. I'm fine. People can use fresh, they can use frozen. It's just most people aren't eating fruit.
when I'm making different dishes, I like to make sure that they're colorful. How do they taste? Good?
Very good. I don't want you using white bread. What I want you to use is something like whole wheat bread. You can use something with seeds. That's what we're going to use
Ezekiel,
today.
something sprouted,
Sure.
something powerful.
You just don't want to use white bread because that has very little nutritional value.
We're doing peanut butter and strawberry slices. And we're gonna crisp this up a little bit, right?
We're going to grill it.
So now we're gonna throw the top
That's right.
on.
What I do is just put one on top of the other like a sandwich. 2 minutes this side, flip it, 2 minutes the other. Voila.
We're gonna fire up our grill.
All right.
We're gonna use about a teaspoon of olive oil. We're gonna lay that down and we're gonna let it cook. We wanna cook this until, it's crispy, it's golden brown on each side.
You could do that or set your timer for 2 or 3 minutes each side.
Or you can
and
do that,
flop it.
right.
Very nice.
It's almost like I've never eaten a grilled cheese in my life. I don't like grilled cheese. But this nice golden brown right now, this is delicious. I am done with this. This is fantastic. We are ready to go.
All right.
Beautiful. I am not a fan of doing a lot of dishes. So why go grab another knife? Even though we have one there. We can just use a spatula.
Let's see if this works.
This will work. I guarantee you. So we're gonna go from here. Boom. Yeah.
All right. Let's give it a taste.
Oh my God. Ready? That is very good.